Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I want to show you what we got here. We got this outdoor camera. This is Blink Outdoor 2 camera system with sync model. It's a wireless battery powered HD security camera system designed for both indoor and outdoor home monitoring. Key features is wireless weather resistance. The camera are wire free, allowing for flexible placement. They are built to withstand various weather conditions suitable for outdoor use. High definition video and night vision records and display 1080p high definition video during the day. Features infrared night vision for clear footage in low light condition. Operates on AA lithium batteries, providing up to 2 years of battery life, but also battery usage can vary. Go features motion detection, send motion detection alert to your smart device, allow for customizable motion zones to focus on specific area. Two-way audio enable you to hear and speak to visitors through the Blink Home Monitor app. Sync model connects to camera to Wi-Fi network, allow for local storage of video clip when a USB flash drive is connected. A USB flash drive is not included. And also Alexa integration. This camera works with Alexa, enabling voice control for tasks like viewing live video. Blink Home Monitor app used to view live video, receive alerts and manage camera settings. So you can connect this using Blink Home Monitor app. And storage option through Blink subscription plan, but this is optional. It provides local storage via sync model 2 and USB flash drive. Outdoor system offer a convenient, relatively easy to install home security solution. Its wireless design and long live battery are sufficient advantage, kind of allowing you for placement in various locations without the need for a nearby power outlet. The combination of motion detection, two-way audio and HD video provide essential security features. This is what we have here. We're going to unbox these outdoor cameras, see what is inside. Blink, this is the information pack, the sync model. So you put this inside the home. This is the camera here. See what it looks like. This is the first one. This is the second one. So this is the attachment here. So this is the another unit. This is the adapter to charge this, the cable, energizer battery. This is AA battery. So 4 of those included. So 4 batteries included, very light. And this is another information pack. So these are what's included in the packaging. These are mounting kit for each cameras. So mounting kit, power cable, adapter, the sync model. This kit needs to be inside. AA battery, 4 of those energizers are included, and 2 cameras. Then screws, 4 screws, 2 on each packet. So these are the stuff included in the packaging and also with information pack.